Okay, so here is how to make a booking for one of our two Ocean Grove strength classes. You'll need to first of all head to the Just in Time website, which is justintimept.com. And when you get there, using these tabs along the top, make your way through. We manage 3 different gyms, and the one that's the quietest of the lot, which does more workplace stuff, is the South Wharf Tower Gym. So we're going to put the booking platform under that for this point in time, and that would mean you'd go to the SWT gym, scroll down and then click on fitness class and bookings. Okay, and once you've done that, scroll down to the timetable. Now for this part here, it's very simple if you follow these clear instructions. Number 1, select category. We're looking for group classes because that's what we'll be doing. Once we've got group classes, we go to select a service. Now you're either going to pick the Ocean Grove strength class on a Monday at 9:15, or you're going to pick the Ocean Grove strength class on a Thursday at 11 a.m. So let's start with the Monday. If I was to pick that one, do not touch anything else. That's all you need to do. Group classes, an Ocean Grove strength class, Monday or Thursday. Selecting the Monday, I then just simply press next. Once I've done that, I have an option to choose, and as you can see, the very first session there is ready to go. It is on Monday the 29th of July, and I can book that for 9:15. Now if I wanted to book in August, and you'll see at the moment nothing's available, so we have a system in place that people can only book 22 days in advance. So for the time being, from today's date, that doesn't allow us. So looking here, I want the 29th, so I'm going to click this little circle here that says 9:15. And once that happens, all I need to do, or what you'll need to do, is in your first name, put that in, your surname, your phone number, your email address, and your confirm email address. So same one there. Once you're done, simply press next. And you will notice up here, it says, thank you, your booking is complete. An email with details of your booking has been sent to you. And meanwhile, on my inbox, you will see that I get an email that says, Dear Justin, you've made a booking for this class and it's all set to go. Now, if you need to cancel at any stage, so my advice would be to keep your confirmation email. And then if ever you need to cancel your class, which you've got to do up until 12 hours before the class to not be charged, is just to simply click on cancel, which I'll show you that now. So if I did want to click the cancel button there, it will come up. Job's not done yet, but I just need to confirm cancellation. So if I click on that, that will then cancel the class. You don't get a notification on this website anymore, but you will then get an email that says that you've cancelled your class. Well, and most definitely I at the other end will. So here you go, booking cancellation. The following class has been cancelled. So hopefully that helps with making your bookings. Feel free to watch this video a couple of times, and you'll need to do that to get your booking out of the one of 14 people in each and every class that we run. Thanks.